In today's video we leave Lossiemouth after getting thrown around all night in the van due to Storm Dudley, and we head back to Aviemore and Glenmore in the search of some heavy snow. Good morning from a very cold Lossiemouth. Cold but beautiful. So we just pulled up quickly over here. We actually slept over there in that car park, and it was alright. It was windy, then it died down, then it got really windy, and I got woke up by a massive thud in the middle of the night, which was her falling off the bed. No. So,
I was sleeping.
You're sleeping, yeah. I wasn't.
Calm and still.
Yeah. So we're now going to make our way back to Aviemore. Probably stay over there, try and get a bit more snow, go and see some reindeer. Probably spend the last day with Rob, and then we're going to start making our way back south, and hopefully we can actually get back and there's not too many trees blocking the roads, because there ain't no motorways up here. Right then, should we go?
Yeah.
Go on then. Let's go. Yeah.
Stop.
There's Rob.
You're sneaky, Daddy.
Are you getting in, or do you want to go and see Rob?
See now.
Run then quickly. Good morning.
Good morning.
How was your sleep?
Good.
Morning, Archie. Stinky and squeaky.
Hey!
Stinky, squeaky.
No, squeaky, smelly, stinky.
Right then, I'm ready when you are, because it's freezing.
It's cold, isn't it?
Yeah. So LPG.
Yeah, I just need
Yeah. Let's do it. Cool. Right, I'll follow you. Let's go. Can you do it? Come on. Jump in. Look at the state of this van. What a mess.
It's because you got a little child.
It's because I got a little child. That's right. What do you reckon of this?
Great.
Did not expect to find a sandy beach with snow-capped mountains behind. Those mountains up there is where we were the other day, and it's now snowing, or trying to snow. So I'm going to try and get the drone up. And what would be better if I could get the drone up at the same time as it starts snowing. You can see the snow coming in now there and across. What do you think of this then?
It's great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you see the snowstorm coming, look?
Yeah.
There's nothing there. Here it comes right now. What a perfect time to come down. I'm going to get the drone up.
Okay.
It's just started snowing. I'm going to try and get the drone up really quickly, but it might be too windy. See what we can do.
Hi. Hello. It's Missy Mushroom.
Missy Mushroom?
Yeah.
The snow?
Yeah. A snow mushroom.
You told me you didn't like mushrooms.
I hate them.
Oh, okay.
I don't like the taste of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love holding my baby snow.
Yeah? What do you think of this path?
It's great. I love it. If it had snow on it, I could sledge on it.
Yeah.
Whee!
So we come out for a walk. Actually, we didn't plan to come out for a walk. We just ended up walking. But
Yeah, because there's no snow. We're hunting for snow so we can come back and get the sledge.
yeah, on a bit of a snow hunt. Although the blizzard that happened earlier was absolutely insane. I've got some great footage of it. And we're hoping it snows again. It's forecast snow in a couple of hours, and then all night and all day tomorrow and all day Saturday, I think, is the day after that.
Yeah. Tomorrow's
and
Friday.
and really, really cold temperatures. Like, it's going to get down to -4, which I know isn't mega cold, but what it does mean is the snow will stick and stay. So it'll be cool just to wake up, open the door into a winter wonderland. That's like, I mean, what more could you ask for when you come to Scotland? So Rob's done his best taking us around trying to find snow, and we found a bit on the hills, but nothing will be better than us all waking up, open the door with a nice warm coffee, and she can go and play on a sledge.
Yeah, and maybe a hot chocolate for me.
Maybe a hot chocolate, or we'll have to go and get you some hot chocolate
Yeah.
from the shop, and then you can make some, can't we?
Yeah.
Oh, there's definitely some snow there, look. I can see it through the trees. Looks pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
Must be colder in this little bit because that's not melted. Little cold depression
Huh?
holding the snow. All right, let's continue our walk. size of this trunk? How long are you going to hold that snow for?
1,000 more hours.
Rah! Hiya.
That's cool.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Straight into a mole hole. So that is the moon, and this is daylight, but at night time. And Amika is on the sledge. It's Rob locking his van for the night, so nobody comes in and attacks him. Go on then, off you go.
Are you ready? Hey!
She's on her knees in the dark on a sledge. All the other kids are asleep. People are here trying to relax in the mountains, and she's just going down the hill. Right, and we need to go back inside because it's absolutely Baltic. Faith plan!